Being creative is not a hobby, it's a way of life. In creativity, there are no mistakes, just unique creations. Good morning, dear children. Mount Litra Z School welcomes you all in the summer camp. I, Ankur Mehta,
And I, Anuradha Sharma, your craft teacher.
Today, we are going to do a craft activity to refresh your minds. Dear children, do you know the importance of craft in your life? When you are doing any craft activity, actually you are manipulating the craft material for which you are using the muscles in your hands. You also learn how to use both of your hands at the same time. It also helps to develop creativity in you, which is very, very important for the mental growth. So now it's time for crafts therapy. Let us move on to our today's craft activity in which we are going to make money bank best out of waste. So let us start. The materials required to make piggy bank are one old cardboard box, one paper cutter, scissor, black sketch, pencil, scale, of course Fevicol, one light pink sheet and one dark pink sheet. So children, keep your materials ready. We are going to start within a second. Children, you have to cut your light pink sheet and be careful that it should be 2 or 3 centimeter longer than your cardboard box. So it will be easy for you to fold it like this. Now you have to paste your old cardboard box on this pink sheet. For that obviously you will use the Fevicol. And then you have to wrap this pink sheet on your box like this. After wrapping all the pink paper, you have to cut like this in all the 4 corners because we are going to fold it now. Now like this you have to fold from all the 4 corners. Then we will take rest of your pink sheet, make an outline according to your cardboard box, cut it. Children, we are going to paste it on the bottom of your piggy bank. No, not on the bottom, on the top, because the ma'am is going to make an opening for your piggy bank so that you can put your coins inside the piggy bank. So now the opening is ready. Now apply Fevicol and paste it on the upper part of your box like this. After pasting, it will look like this. Now we are going to make the bottom part. Again you have to put your cardboard box on the paper, pink paper, make the outline and cut it. Now we are going to paste it on the bottom of your old cardboard box like this. Children, now we are going to make ears. For that, take a small strip like this, fold it into 2 equal halves, then again fold it into equal halves. Now draw the shape of ear like this and then just cut it out. Our ears are ready. Now what to do? Take your dark pink sheet, cut one strip Again fold it into equal halves. One more fold. These are your small ears, and then we will paste the small one on the big one like this. Now we are going to paste it on your piggy bank like this. Now the piggy bank, it looks like this.
ये बार बार मत दिखाओ, लुक लाइक दिस। इसमें 2-3 मिनट सेकंड ज़्यादा हो जाती है। फाइनल।
Now we are going to make the face. Draw 2 circles like this. Now you have to cut it in a round shape. Now we will paste it on the piggy bank. Now we will make the nose. Take anything round, but it should be smaller. Cut it. And then paste it on your face like this. Now we will make the eyes. Take a white sheet, draw small circle, cut it like this. Children, you have to fold the white sheet first and then cut. Now we will paste the eyes like this. Now take the remaining pink sheet, fold it like this to make the legs. Cut it in the shape of legs like this. Again, children, you have to fold the sheet to make 2 legs. Then we will paste it like this. Now we are going to make the tail. Now the tail is ready. Now we'll paste it on the back of your piggy bank. Children, finish off your drawing part. Now make 2 eyes, eyelashes and nose, also toes. Now our piggy bank is ready. I hope you all enjoyed this activity. So it's time to say goodbye. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye, children.